like to improve and learn English effortlessly by watching the videos? So here we go. Skippy app helps you to improve your English like a native speaker. Let's move to understand the features. Why only Skippy? Why not other applications? Before we know the features of Skippy application, if you are new at my channel, so let me introduce myself. My name is Kajal Singh and this is my channel So Far So Good. I always help my audience with some concepts where they have some doubts. So you can clear your doubts by using the comment box, which is always empty for you. So let's share and support to this channel by sharing it to the concerned person. Let's continue with the features which we have in this application. Number one, vocabulary lock screen. Now what is this? Basically under this you will find on your lock screen always a pop-up from Skippy with the word, pronunciation and the meaning, which is a gentle reminder to improve your spoken by using and enhancing your vocabulary. Number two, speaking practice. There would be certain videos where you can listen to their accents and can repeat that. After repeating the sentence, you will get the instant feedback by them sharing some grades. For instance, C2, A+, and it can be anything based on your performance. Number 3. All the videos are available with the subtitles, which will help you to understand the correct pronunciation with the meaning and the flow. Number 4. You will find Realtime Dictionary. For instance, if there is any word which is added currently to the dictionary, that would reflect on your screen by opening it. Number 5, which will help you and convert your work so easily. You can have speed control and many more options to have the better understanding. Let's move to the tutorial which I have for you all. You will understand the pattern of these applications, how many sections do we have and how can we utilize it when it comes to become English speaker. So let's start this activity by doing some easiest thing, that is downloading the application, and that is Skippy. It will take a few minutes, but before that I check the remarks just to make sure whether it will actually work for everyone or not. However, yes, I have used it. So let's wait for a few seconds. Meanwhile, I would like to share that here if you check the ratings, that would be 4.5 stars you can find out on this platform, and the users are 39k who have reviewed and shared their experience with this platform. So I guess we can trust over there and can utilize it for the better communication. Yay, congratulations. Now we are here. We will select phone because we are using phone here. A few formalities we have to do here, and here they are showing some configuration, and you can see some features which I have already told you. We'll click on next. We'll select the language. Of course it would be English. Now here you can select the level which can help you to find out the improvement stuff. Okay, so we are at home page right now. You can see a few videos that can be related out of inspiration, tech and science, social studies, art and culture, and so on. Here as I have selected second part, that is about quiz and vocabulary. They are preparing the lesson for me. For that I need to wait for a few seconds. And here I'm almost done with this. So here we will find 5 vocabulary with their meaning and the pronunciation. To click and to find the word and to add the word in our favorite list, we have to do sign up. That is almost about to done. You can sign up either with Facebook or with the Google ID. Once you will be done with this, you can add the words as many as you want to add in your favorite list. That would be kind of a pop-up for you where you can utilize that word later as well. They check your understanding and comprehension skills by giving you a few quizzes which would help you to find out your understanding, whether you actually learned or not, or you are capable for using it in your sentences in your daily life or not. They would give you some chances where you can
reattempt those quizzes, which is quite helpful and I like the most about it. These are some attempts which I'm doing like without reading, but you do not have to do this in that manner. You can see they are appreciating, giving stars and giving feedback just to appreciate and help you to move to the next level. You will find out some ads which we cannot do anything with it as we are using free version. Let's move to the next part. Here you will be getting an option which can help you to customize the period of time, like how much time you can spend to empower your vocabulary, and based on that they will prepare the lesson for you like it is happening right now. I suggest you to go with the 3-minute activity so that you can feel motivated, because that's not so difficult task to complete in a day. Moving ahead, and you won't feel bored and disconnected with this application. Now I have selected the practice third tab you can see at bottom, which helps you to empower your speaking. You can select any videos, and for rest of the videos that will be asked to unlock the services. That's very easy. You just have to earn the coins. As you can see, there is a video. You just have to listen to it, and it will be stuck at particular, not stuck, but yes, it will be paused at particular moment. You have to click on that, where you can record your voice. That will check and assess your pronunciation of each words, and they will give you the points based on that. I have done this practice. I guess spending 5 to 10 minutes every day would not only empower your spoken, but it will also help you to understand and comprehend the videos in different accents. This is the search bar where I can find out some topics and maybe some titles which you think that can help you. This is the setting option that can help you with so many activities like updating and finding your bookmarks. So this is something you can explore as well.
So this is something I had for you all in today's lesson, in today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any suggestion or if I missed something, you can definitely share with me in the comment box so that I can also enhance my knowledge with the help of you. Thank you. Take care. Have a great day. Bye bye. See you soon.